Public health emergency is in effect in New York City this morning in response to the rapidly growing measles outbreak. According to the CDC, there have now been 465 measles cases in the U.S. this year across 19 states. Now, that is the second highest number of cases since measles was declared eliminated in 2000. The disease can spread in areas where groups of people are unvaccinated. Tony Dokoupil is in Brooklyn, where measles cases are popping up within ultra-Orthodox Jewish communities. Tony, good morning.
Good morning. Just a couple years ago, there were only a handful of measles cases in all of New York City. Now there have been more than 250 in just the past 7 months, including 5 patients sent into intensive care. New York City officials now taking action, hoping to stem that crisis before it gets any worse.
We cannot allow this dangerous disease to make a comeback here in New York City. We have to stop it now.
New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio says he is determined to defend his city from the largest measles outbreak in the country. On Tuesday, he issued a public health emergency demanding all people over the age of 6 months who live or go to school in parts of Williamsburg to get vaccinated or face a $1,000 fine. According to the CDC, the measles vaccine can be up to 97% effective.
Measles vaccine works. It is safe, it is effective, it is time-tested.
But in the highly concentrated Orthodox communities of Williamsburg, some parents refuse.
It's against my personal religious belief.
This mother of 5 says none of her children are vaccinated, and all had measles in the last month.
I cannot agree to a systematic way of just altering the immune system and testifying to God's imperfection.
There's no religious obligation not to do it.
But Rabbi David Niederman, who works in Brooklyn, says the Torah requires people to not put others at risk.
Health is the most important thing, and therefore there's no justification not to vaccinate, just the opposite.
Mayor de Blasio's declaration could face legal challenges. Last month in Rockland County, New York, Executive Ed Day declared a state of emergency banning all unvaccinated children from public places. But a judge overruled him, saying the outbreak did not rise to the level of an epidemic. Day is now appealing that judge's decision and announced new orders on Tuesday to keep unvaccinated children home.
This outbreak is an imminent threat to our public health. You have to not be paying attention to not understand that.
By contrast, the measles vaccine is considered safe and effective by every major medical body here in the U.S. Here in New York, religious schools and daycares are being told to keep unvaccinated children out of the classroom or they could face closure. Anthony?
Yeah, a lot of concern in New York schools about the measles outbreak. Tony, thank you.